Okay, so out of boredom, I put all of the stock parts back on. I'm not sure if I like it better the way she looks as a bobber or as a fully assembled unit. But anyway, a friend of mine asked me to make a video of me riding it. So this one's for you, Cammy. Okay, so first I got to go through the starting procedure. It's cold. I haven't started it yet today. So again, first we prime the cylinder with the enrichener on or open. Give it one or two good kicks. Oh, get it past the compression. Okay, that should be enough. Turn off the enrichener, open the ignition, bring it up to top dead center, crack the throttle a little bit, and she should start. Come on, big girl. Make a liar out of me. Always the second kick. Why? And today, not even the second kick.